Today, guys, I'm gonna teach you Love Me Tender in 2 keys, one for female version and another one for male. And guess what? The goal is that you sing this to your lover on the next Valentine's Day, so you have a lot of time to practice. So I will start with the female version in D. So I want to try this other way. I wrote the chords here, so I will leave this on the screen so that you can pause and pick up the chords. This is the D major key, okay? All right, so it's really something that you can, easily have it done quite quick, okay, if you're smart and talented. Very simple. So you have the D, love me tender, E7, love me sweet, I think, A7, never let me go. Same thing, repeat the 4 bars, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the chorus. Love me tender. So for the 2 first bars, you will have 2 chords per bar. D, F sharp 7, B minor, and D7. This is the most difficult part. With the F sharp, you have 2 options. I believe that this one is the safest because you can play all the strings. However, you could do the jazz shape, but in that case, the problem is that you need to mute. You need to play only 3 strings, okay? But you don't have the bar chord in that way, okay? B minor. There's another way to do B minor as well, but it sounds a bit more. Again, you avoid the bar chords. Okay, thanks to my guitar teacher. Then D7. Okay, this is if you want to simplify because you can do the bar chords. So if you want to simplify, I do it again. D, F sharp 7. I repeat, you cannot play all the strings with this position, okay? B minor. This you can, it's nice. So if you are okay with the bar chords, I recommend that you do D, F sharp 7, B minor, then another bar chord G minor, but this one is nice because it's a minor, you don't have this one. All my dreams fulfilled, all my darling, I love you. So this was the female key. So ladies, work on this one and be ready for the next Valentine's Day or maybe a birthday or something, an occasion, okay? Men, let's do it in G. Apparently, from all the male students that I have, G would be like, okay, for you guys, for the majority of male, okay? So in this case, we're gonna do the G. So you start with the G, okay? A7, sorry, I forgot. There you go, in G. Okay, so let's do it. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. You have made my life complete, and I chorus, G, B7, you see it's much easier, E minor and G7. So G, B7, E minor, G7, yes, G7. So, love me tender, love me true. Oh my, this is the only bar chords that you have. C minor. So remember, A minor shape with the bar chord here, and you slide here until the C. C minor. All my dreams fulfilled, all my darling. So then you have G, E7, I love you. You can even do harmonics in G, damn it. Alright guys, so let me know how it goes. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I have a special story about the song. So that after the song, you can also tell this anecdote that the song was actually written by a guy called George Poulton in 1861. It's super old, this song. It was an American Civil War song. So it was very, very popular, but with other lyrics, and it was called Aurelia, not sure about the pronunciation. Then in 56, Elvis, or like Elvis's team, they took the melody that was now in the public domain and changed the lyrics. So now you can you have a story to say after the song. I hope your date goes well, and I will see you the next time. Bye.